Today we are going to see chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Partnership of Standard 12 Commerce Subject Account. So this is the 7th part of the chapter number 1, and today we are going to see some more illustration related to the find out the profit sharing ratio. Again today we will see the illustration related to rectification entry. So let's see illustration number 5. Illustration number 5. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are the partner of partnership firm. The share of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip and share of Riya is double of share of Kirtan. Determine the amount of profit of each partner if the profit of the firm at the end of the year was 1,92,000. So here we have to find out the profit sharing ratio. So for that here it is given to us that Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are partner, and Kirtan share of the Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip. So here we have to assume that the share of the Dilip is 1. Dilip's share of profit is 1. And here it is given to us that the Kirtan share is 1/5 of the Dilip share. So Kirtan share will be 1/5 of the Dilip. So Dilip share is 1. Then the share of the Kirtan will be 1/5 of the Dilip. And the next is given to us is share of Riya is double than the Kirtan share of Riya. So Riya's share is double than the Kirtan. So her share will be 2/5. So here Dilip's share is 1, Kirtan's share is 1/5, and Riya's share is 2/5. Now here we have to find out the profit sharing ratio. For that we have to take the LCM. And here, as we know, to make the denominator same, here we are going to multiply by 1. Here we are going to multiply by 5. And here again we are going to multiply by 1. So the profit sharing ratio will be, as we know, if we are going to multiply by denominator, same we have to multiply with the numerator. So here we are going to multiply 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 upon 5. Here again it will be 5 ones are by upon 5. And here it will be 1 ones are 1 upon 5. So their profit sharing ratio will be 2:5:1. Now we are going to distribute the profit, that is 1,92,000, in the ratio of 2:5:1. So let's do that. So for that, distribution of the profit. Distribution of profit will be for Riya's share of profit will be here 1,92,000 into 2, and total of that will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So here upon we are going to write down 8. So Riya's share of profit will be rupees 48,000. Now let's find out the profit of the Dilip. And for that profit, Dilip's profit, Dilip's share of profit is equal to 1,92,000 into 5 upon 8, and that will be rupees 1,20,000. This is the Dilip's share of profit. Now let's find out the Kirtan's share of profit. So that will be 1,92,000 into 1/8, and that will be 24,000. So here you may note down this in your notebook. Then we are going to see illustration number 6. Let's see illustration number 6. Milind, Hammond and Rasik have distributed profit of the firm rupees 1,89,000 in equal proportion instead of distributing it in 1:2:4 proportion. To rectify this mistake, what treatment will be given to the capital account? So here partner have made the mistake. They are supposed to share the profit and loss in the ratio of 1:2:4, but they have distributed it equally. So here we have to rectify the error. So for that we have to see according to correct ratio how much profit they are supposed to get, and incorrect ratio how much they have set, and difference we are going to give the effect in a capital account. So let's see that. Question number 6. Correct ratio, correct distribution ratio of profit is, correct ratio is 1:2:4 for the lesson Milind, then Hammond and Rasik. So here let's distribute 1,89,000 in the ratio of 1:2:4. So that will be 27,000 for the Milind, and for Hammond it will be 54,000, and for Rasik it will be 1,08,000. Now this is the correct ratio, but by mistake they have distributed in incorrect ratio. Incorrect distribution. Ratio of profit is equally. That means they have distributed in the ratio of 1:1:1. So that will be 63,000. So they have distributed in the ratio 63,000. So that's supposed to be taken back from them. So here correct ratio means we have to give Milind 27,000, to Hammond 54,000, and to Rasik 1,08,000. But they have already taken 63,000. So from Milind here it is plus and it is minus. So from Hammond, from Milind we have to take money back, and that will be 27,000 minus 63,000. So that will be 36,000. So Milind will be given back 36,000 rupees, and from Hammond to Hammond we have to give 54,000, and we have to take back 63,000. So from Hammond also we are going to take rupees 9,000, and to Rasik we have to give 1,08,000, and we have to take 63,000. So here we have to give in more, that will be 45,000. So here whatever we have to take from the partner, that account is supposed to be debited. So this account is going to be debited, this account is going to be debited, and this account is going to be credited. So here our rectification entry will be rectification error will be general entry will be means capital or current account. As we don't know that the partner is following fixed capital account method or fluctuating capital account method. So here we are going to write both, means capital or current account debit. Then finance capital or current account debit to receipts capital or current account. So here on the debit side we are going to write down 36,000, 9,000, and here it will be 45,000. So being rectification entry for wrongly distributed profit. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Then we are going to see the illustration number 7. Illustration number 7. Ram, Lakshman and Sita are the partner of the firm. On 1/4/16, their capital was 40,000, 30,000 and 80,000 respectively. At the end of the year, after distribution of profit, it was realized that the charging of interest on capital at 12% is missed out. Write the journal entry for the rectification. So here, interest on capital is missed out and they have distributed the profit. So interest on capital is supposed to be paid to the partner. So very first we are going to calculate interest on capital and that much profit we are going to ask from the partner. So let's make the calculation. So here illustration number 7 and here they are the partners called Ram, Lakshman and Sita. So here their capital is 40,000, 30,000 and 80,000. And interest on capital will be at 12%. So interest that's supposed to be paid to the partner will be interest on capital at 12%. So that will be 12% of 40,000 will be 4,800. That's supposed to be paid to the Ram. This 4,800 supposed to be paid to the Ram. Plus here Lakshman supposed to get 3,600 and at the rate of 12% Sita supposed to get the amount of interest on capital will be 9,600. So total amount that's supposed to be get by the partner will be 4,800 plus 3,600 and 9,600. That will be 18,000. That's supposed to be get by the partner, but profit is already distributed amongst the partner. So that much amount is supposed to be brought from the partner. So here we are going to ask that the reduction of the profit of the partner. reduction of profit. That is in the ratio of the profit, that will be 1 is to, as it is not given in the sum. Profit sharing ratio is not given in the sum. So here we are going to assume that they have distributed profit in equal ratio. So we are going to ask the partner to bring the profit in an equal ratio. So that will be again 18,000 divided by 3. So that will be minus 6,000, minus 6,000 and minus 6,000. So here again we can see that Ram supposed to get 4,800 and Ram supposed to brought to the partnership firm, that will be 6,000. So balancing amount will be 1,200, that we are going to ask Ram to bring back to the firm. So that is going to be debited to his account. Again here 3,600 minus 6,000. So the balancing amount will be 2,400. So here Lakshman will brought 2,400 to the partnership firm, and here 9,600 minus 6,000. So that amount will be 3,600 that we are going to pay to the Sita for the loss of the interest. So here Sita will get 3,600 and rectification entry for that will be rectification of error will be here. Let's pass the journal entry. So that journal entry will be Ram's capital or current account debit. Then Lakshman's capital or current account debit to Sita's capital or current account. So here debit, credit. Here debit amount will be 1,200, then 2,400, and credit amount will be 3,600. So this is how we are supposed to pass the rectification entry. Now let's write the billing. Billing rectification entry for miss out of interest on capital. Rectification entry for miss out interest on capital. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Then we will see illustration number 8. Illustration number 8. Bhalchandra, Darsna and Ankit are the partner, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. At the end of the year, after the preparation of final account, it is realized that the computation of interest on drawing is missed out. Interest on drawing were 1,800 and 600 respectively. Write the journal entry for the rectification. So here partners have already distributed the profit and interest on drawing is missed out. So here interest on drawing supposed to be take from the partner and it is the income of the firm. So that's supposed to be distributed. The total of the interest on drawing supposed to be distributed amongst the partner in the profit sharing ratio. So the total of that we are going to distribute to the partner, and then we are going to take the interest on drawing from the partner, and the difference we are going to debit and credit to their respective account. So let's calculate the sum. Illustration number 8. So here 40 kilo and Bhalchandra. Rupees. Darsna. Rupees. And Ankit. So here, because of the interest on drawing, the partner's profit is going to be increased. So here, increase in profit. Will be distributed in the profit sharing ratio. So profit sharing ratio is given to us, that is 5:3:2. So total of the drawing that we have to find out. So here interest on drawing is 1,000, then 800 and 600, and total of this will be 2,400. So this 2,400, that is the income for the partnership firm, and that is the same amount is going to be increase of the profit. So here that amount, that is 2,400, that we are going to distribute among the partner in the profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So here Bhalchandra will receive 1,200 from the profit, and here Dasna will receive 720, and Ankit will receive 480. So here, as we know that this amount supposed to be paid to the partner, and this supposed to be charged from the partner. So here the difference is 200, that's supposed to be paid to the Bhalchandra. So this amount is going to be credited to his account. Here the amount will be 720 supposed to be paid to the Dasna, and 800 supposed to be we have to receive from the Dasna. So here balancing amount will be 80 rupees that we are going to receive from the Dasna. So partnership firm will receive this amount, and here again 120 will be received from the Ankit. So this amount again is going to be debit. So here rectification of error will be journal entry will be Dasna's capital or current account debit, so here debit rupees, credit rupees. So here Dasna's amount will be rupees 80. Then Ankit's capital or current account. Debit. So here that will be 120 and 2 Bhalchandra's capital account. And that will be 200. Then rectification entry. name is out. Interest on drawing. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.